So in this presentation, we will demonstrate how to create a new testing form and how to use it. So first, let's log in. In this demonstration, we will try to implement a new testing form for measuring the concrete compressive strength. So let's see. We received this document and we are in the position to actually implement this form. We can notice we have some measurements. We receive some samples shaped as cylinders. The operator measures diameter twice, the height twice, and in the end it measures the maximum load. We have the calculations that have to be performed with these measurements, and also the formulas used to calculate the result. Okay, let's start the implementation. First, we will select forms from the sidebar menu. We will add a new form. We add a description, an optional description, and the form is created. We will move it to the end of this list. Select the details. The form draft has been already created, but okay. We will use a different revision like this, and let's start adding parameters. Okay, what parameters do we have? We have a diameter 1, diameter 2. Let's add a new one. Diameter 1. We will select the type of data. By setting this measurement as parameter, it means it will not be displayed in testing reports. It's just an intermediary parameter. Okay. The measurement unit is not present here. We will save it, but we will add the measurement units used in this form. So we have millimeters, we have kilonewtons, and also for the results we have megapascals. Okay, we will go back to our form. Okay, and we will edit. Okay. If we need to add the measurement unit, millimeters. Okay, we added the measurement units. We will return now to filling the form, to defining the form. We add the second parameter. It's a numeric value. It's a parameter. Measurement unit is now in the list. It's millimeter. Save. Add another parameter, height 1 and height 2. We will select the measurement unit, the value type. We'll select the value type is parameter, measurement unit, millimeter, save, and the second height the value type, it's also a parameter. Okay. And now we will we will add the maximum load. The value type is real. It's also a parameter. It's a measurement. Measurement unit in kilopascal, or kilonewton, sorry. It's kilonewton, as we can see in here. Save. Okay, we have added all the measurements that have to be performed on a sample. Now let's start with the calculations. We will try to calculate but first let's add these two normatives. And this normative. Let's go back go back to forms. And let's add the compressive strength. It's a numeric value. It's not a parameter, and it's used for quality certification. We will select the measurement unit, megapascals, and the norm. Let's select this one. Save. And the last one is the aspect ratio. It's also a numeric value. It's not a parameter. It's used for certification. No measurements unit this time. Select the standard and save. Okay, now let's start the calculations. First, the calculations for compressive strength. For this purpose, let's start editing formula for the compressive strength. First, we will calculate the average diameter. We will edit. It's a calculated field. We will mention here. Okay. And diameter is diameter 1 plus diameter 2 divided by 2. Next, average height. H equal H1 plus H2 divided by 2. Next, we will calculate the cross-section area. Area is pi multiplied with average diameter divided by 2 to the power of 2. Okay. And sigma is P multiplied with 1000 divided by A. And the result is sigma we have an error. Okay, pi, it's not defined. We will define pi here. And also we notice that the height is not used in this formula for now. But we will save it like this. And now we will calculate the aspect ratio. It's also calculated field. Actually, I will cancel and I will copy these formulas to avoid typing. Edit, calculated. Okay. Ratio equals H divided by D. And we will return as a result the ratio. Okay. Now we should check the form. First, I will put these calculated fields on top. And I will submit the draft. And now I'm able to add the test data. The form is not yet validated. I need to validate the form. So I will add test data. And I will take the data mentioned in here, 150.2. The second diameter is this one. The height is this one. The second height is this one. And the maximum load is this one. The expected results. The expected results are 44.4 for the compressive strength and 2 for the aspect ratio. We will save, and we can see that the form is not passing the verification. And the problem is as it is mentioned in here, we have to round the value we have calculated to the nearest 0.1 megapascal as an industry guidelines. So we will edit this formula. We'll round this value we will round this value with 1 decimal place. Save. And yes, now the test is passing. I will also round this value with 1 decimal. Now I will put 2 decimal places here. Okay. Save. Okay. This is the form. This is the definition of the testing form. It has been validated with some test data, and now we can validate it. Optional comment. And let's submit it. Okay, now we can use this form, and let's use it in a specific case. First, we will create a new material. We will name it like this. We will select the norm. It's a product. Save. Now to this material, let's create a new specification for this material. Add a new specification. We will select this material that we have created. We have created the draft specification, and we will start filling the parameters. I will add a test. Okay, we don't have any test associated to the material, so I will go to the material and I will associate compressive strength and aspect ratio. I will save, go back to specifications, details, add test, compressive strength, the value for the compressive strength should be greater or equal to 40. And we will add some validation tests. For instance, what's happened if the value is 38? We expect the test to fail. Add another one. If we have a value of 40, we expect the result to pass because it can be equal to 40. If we have 42, we also expect to pass. Okay, let's save this. And we have successfully added the compressive strength to the parameters list in the specification. Let's add another one. aspect ratio. The aspect ratio should be between 175 and 210. Okay, also we will add some verification values. For instance, 1.72 we expect to fail. 175 we expect to pass. 1.8 expect to pass. 2.1 we expect to pass. And 2.2 we expect to fail. We expect to fail. No, it's not. It's 1.75. Yes. Okay, so the formulas, the condition formulas have been verified. Now we can submit the specification. Okay. And now let's make a sample reception for this. No, first let's define a category. A testing category for this material. Okay. And let's make a sample reception. We will add a new certification sample. Select the concrete, this material. We will add batch code, this one. And let's submit the sample. Okay, the sample has been submitted, and now the testing can begin. We can use our new created form for that. Let's select the form. We add a new testing form with measurements. We will use the same data. Okay, we have introduced all the measurements. And here the form is it's calculated. We have introduced just the measurements, the actual measurements, but in the final form, we have also the calculation results. These are the calculation results. These are actually the expected results. Now let's preview the testing report, and there are no reported measurements. Yes, there are no reported measurements because the laboratory operator has to decide to publish, to report this data. It will toggle this button, and now the data is present in the report preview. It's conforming with the specification, and we can view the specification details if we need, and we will actually submit the testing report. Now we can notice that this data that he has reported, and it's now present in this report, which is published, is visible to other users. Once the data is published, it cannot be modified anymore. It's just read-only. It can be viewed for traceability purposes, but it cannot be changed. In case we need a change, another form will be created. This one will be unreported, let's say. The other one will be reported. The actual testing report will be cancelled and it will be replaced with the new one, but everything it's transparent. It's traceable. It's worth mentioning that also the report has been submitted. This is not the final certificate. The certification will be done by a designated laboratory personnel. It will check the pending certifications. We see our samples in here. We will add it here. This person will check the conformity of the material. If everything is all right, it can check the specification. It can check the reports, because this certificate it's composed. It can be composed based on multiple testing reports. If everything is okay, we analyze the results. All the results are according to the specification, and we can submit the certificate. Okay, and now it is submitted. And here is the list of quality certificates for the organization products. Testing forms are very important for modern laboratories. This is it. Please share your opinions in the comments below. Bye.